All right, now that you know that from a set of data, the computer then analyzes the data and then it makes a predictions or makes a new output. So that is what machine learning is about. So this is machine learning. Now the question is, what if the data is a set of images, right? From here, then it's possible for AI to create a new artwork. Okay, so for example, I have this picture here, and then I want to style it in such a way into this kind of styles. Okay, so here TensorFlow has what we call an image style transfer model. Okay, so you want to transfer the style of one image to another image, and before I taught you how to create the model, TensorFlow now has a predefined model for that one. So we could search, like, for example, TensorFlow image style transfer, and you could look at this one. So this is a predefined model for you. And if you would see now, from this picture, it will now be, and then from these two pictures, it will copy this style, and it will become like this. The codes are here for you. And what's important here is we need to see now the type of model. Okay, so if you want, you could look at this. But what's important here is this is the model that we need to do. Okay, so this is the predefined model. Okay, so let's start now creating some images. So let's create now, oh sorry, let's start now creating a new Python application. So from Google Colab, let's create now, okay, so this is our fourth machine learning program. So I'm going to create now a new notebook. All right. So let's import the packages, or what we call the dependencies. Right. So notice in this one, okay, so the dependencies, if I'm not mistaken, is TensorFlow, as well as I think we need the TensorFlow hub. Okay, so import, okay, TensorFlow, okay, hub as hub. Let's call that hub, and then import TensorFlow as TF. Okay, so if you want, there's a lot of TensorFlow models which you can use. Okay, for example, object detection and so on. And TensorFlow has a lot of documentation in which how to use now their script. So that's how you learn machine learning, and combine that with ChatGPT. You're able now to learn machine learning in a short amount of time. Let's call the model. Model is equal to, where is it? We can just get it here. This one. Okay, so hub.load. Let's just copy this one and paste it here. Okay, so now that we defined our model, let's just save our code. This is our fourth machine learning program. Okay, so in the next lesson, what we're going to do here is we're going to use this model and make some tweaks and upload our file as well. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lesson.